You can never taste real Korean tteokbokki. This is because even Koreans cannot recreate the sharp flavor when they make it at home. The reason is simple. The components within the vegetable and chili powder are not fully extracted. Famous tteokbokki shops extract this component from the vegetables and the seasonings to the fullest extent. You must boil it for at least an hour to complete that deep flavor. However, I will now show you how to make a delicious tteokbokki easily without boiling it for over an hour. The key to this dish is not the number of ingredients. It depends on how accurately you extract the flavor of each ingredient. Prepare the following. 1. Green onion. Cut it into large pieces. 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, the essential medium to help extract components. 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 고춧가루, the center of color and flavor. 3 cups water, about 600 ml. 500 gram rice cakes, the both rice or wheat cake work. 3 tablespoons soy sauce, responsible for the savory umami. 3 tablespoons sugar, adjust the sweetness and viscosity. 2 tablespoons wine, the secret ingredients that explode the flavor profile. The cooking process. The science of extracting components with oil. The essence of tteokbokki flavor lies in extraction. Simply putting ingredients in water and boiling them only traps the components inside. We must use oil to pull these components out completely. Completing the scallion oil. Low heat is mandatory. Pour 3 tablespoons of oil into a frying pan. You must use low heat. Add the green onion and stir fry for about 1 minute. You must wait until the aroma of green onion fully permeates the oil. This process is the foundation, the first stage of the flavor. Step 2. Extracting chili powder. Aroma. 3 minutes. Now add 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Be careful here. Never use high heat. Chili powder burns quickly. Stir fry gently on low heat for 3 minutes. The components in the chili powder with the oil and turn a vibrant red. If you skip this, the flavor will feel separate even after adding water later. Stir fry sufficiently. Step 3. Combining water-soluble components. 3 cups of water. Now pour in the 3 cups of water prepared earlier. As the boiling water beats the ingredients, the components extracted into the oil spread throughout the mixture. Now turn the heat up to medium. Once the water begins to bubble and boil, you are ready for the next step. Seasoning and enhancing the flavor. Rice cakes, soybeans, sugar, wine. Add 500 grams of rice cake. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of wine. Wine is essential, as the alcohol evaporates in remove any off-putting odors and the acidity of bread doubles the umami. This is where it gets real. Step 5. 10-minute magic. Boil for only about 10 minutes. The effect of boiling for over an hour has already been completed during the previous oil extraction process. These 10 minutes are for the cakes to absorb the seasoning and for sauce to kitchen. Watch with patience until the cake becomes soft and the seasoning penetrates deep inside the cake. This state is the standard for soup tteokbokki. Take a spoonful of the broth and take it. You only need to lightly adjust the seasoning here if it is lacking. You don't need to any more ingredients. If you want to decalculate the texture, turn the heat a bit higher and simmer for another 10 minutes or more. The starch, the chili powder, and the rice cake beat to create an excellent consistency. The viscosity of tteokbokki is a matter of preference. You can simmer it until it reaches the level you desire. We don't need grand secret ingredient. The difference in true tasty spot lies in how many components you extract from the ingredient. In typical home, even if the green onion are added, they just turn into mush. This is the result of time passing without the flavor being properly released. The method I share today is the most efficient way to extract components from the ingredients. First, use oil to draw out flavors of the chili powder and green onion. Then beat with the water to make the flavor explode. If you remember just this, you can make the best tteokbokki at home right now. Challenge yourself today. A new world of tteokbokki awaits you. The following text provides detailed